How to add audio to AI flashcards. First of all, open the app and go to the flashcard set where you want to add audio, or select the plus icon and tap upload a file, and from here upload audio. You can either upload an existing audio file from your device or record your own voice directly in the app. Once the audio is added, save the flashcard. A play button will now appear on your flashcard. Whenever you study, tap that button to listen to the audio. This is perfect for language learning, pronunciation practice, or reinforcing concept with sound. Now you know how to add audio to AI flashcards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.